Are you wondering if you can replace your garbage disposal by yourself? Well, you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to confidently install any disposal unit of your choice. So let's get started. Start by heading over to the circuit breakers and switching off the electrical power to the kitchen. Next, if you have the option, remove the cabinet doors. It will make the installation process much easier. If you are connecting the disposal to the dishwasher, the outlet hose should be 7/8 inch in diameter. Otherwise, you'll need to purchase a dishwasher connector kit separately. You will also need to purchase an extended sink flange if your sink drain is thicker than 1/2 inch. Your existing 3-bolt mounting system can be reused if you already have one. However, if you need to replace the mounting assembly, start by separating the assembly from the unit and loosening the 3 screws on the mounting ring until it can be rotated. Next, use a flathead screwdriver to remove the retainer ring from the sink flange. Then remove the mounting ring, the backup flange, and the fiber gasket from the sink flange and set it aside. Ensure the area around the sink drain is clean. Apply a generous amount of plumber's putty around the bottom of the sink flange and center it in the drain opening. Press it firmly and evenly for a good seal. Do not move it once it's seated. Slide the fiber gasket, the backup flange, and the mounting ring onto the bottom of the sink flange and secure them in place by slipping the retainer ring onto the groove on the flange to lock it in place. Tighten the screws on the upper mounting ring evenly and firmly to secure the mount assembly to the sink bottom, making sure not to over tighten the screws. Locate the provided rubber discharge outlet and secure it with the included metal bracket. Then connect the elbow by inserting it into the drain outlet coupling. Place the spring clamp over the drain outlet and release it over the shallow groove of the drain coupling to secure the drain elbow. If your installation includes a dishwasher hookup, don't forget to remove the plug from the dishwasher inlet. Align the tabs on the lower ring with the ramps on the mounting ring and turn it until it's seated all the way. You can use a flathead screwdriver for additional leverage if you're not able to seat it by hand. If there is a dishwasher, connect the dishwasher drain hose with the clamp, ensuring that the connection is secure to avoid any unpleasant surprises. In terms of the drain, you can reuse the existing P-trap or install new plumbing hardware as we did. Before doing this type of work, cover the area under the sink with a drop cloth or a towel to protect the cabinet from any accidental damage. Begin by dry fitting all the parts together to ensure that the drain setup works as expected. P-traps are made up of 3 parts: a male threaded adapter, a wall tube, and the J-bend. They are used to prevent sewer gases from backing up into your home. After the dry fit was successful, we used 2-part primer and PVC cement to secure the threaded adapter and let it dry for 15 minutes. Fortunately for me, I followed my own advice and had the area covered to protect the cabinets. Because of this life lesson, I now close the cans as soon as I place the dipstick back, and I highly recommend you do the same. That's enough excitement for one day. Let's get back to the assembly. Insert the wall tube back into the drain and fasten it to the J-bend. Adjust the P-trap to its final position and secure the wall tube with the coupling nut at the drain. Finally, tighten the coupling nut at the drain elbow to complete the plumbing portion of this job. We are on the home stretch. Plug the unit in and secure the cable to the drain to keep it off the cabinet floor. If your disposal comes with a magnetic metal guard accessory, place it around the throat of the disposal behind the bolts. Finally, remove any excess plumber's putty from around the sink drain and install the splash guard in the sink flange. Flip the power at the breaker, run the water to test for leaks, and ensure that the unit powers on as expected. Congratulations, you are ready to complete the entire installation of your new food waste disposal. Remember, your support and engagement means the world to us. We appreciate every comment, like, and share as they help us grow and continue to provide this helpful content. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. Please leave your feedback or questions in the comments below. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be there for the next one. If you want to see more of our renovation, here are the videos you should watch next. Take care of yourself, your family, and have a great day.